What is up, YouTube? We are back and we have the video today that you've all been asking for. And what is that video, you might ask? That video is the Milwaukee M18 miter saw versus the reigning champion of cordless miter saws, the Dewalt FLEXVOLT. And that side by side, specification for specification, dimension for dimension comparison is coming right up. So it's crazy. With this year's MPS 18 from Milwaukee, I was pretty shocked to see that they didn't update or have a new release for a miter saw. The very cool guys covered that event thoroughly. We put out a whole bunch of videos going over their new offerings. If you haven't seen it, we'll link a playlist here. But we're kind of shocked. No update for the miter saw. I gotta tell you, when we put the specifications side by side like we're about to do, I gotta tell you, I thought that there would have been some breaking news in the miter saw realm from Milwaukee. Let's take a look here. Here's the tail of the tape. We got our descriptions. Let's start off with the Milwaukee. You got the M18 Fuel 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Was designed to meet the demanding needs of professional carpenters and remodelers, delivering greater capacity than many corded 10-inch sliding miter saws, and the Power State brushless motors, delivering corded cutting performance. The 2734 provides users a solution to replace their corded miter saws. The M18 Red Lithium High Demand 9.0 battery pack delivers up to 400 cuts per charge, making the saw capable of lasting an entire day on site with only one pack. Premium features like an adjustable stainless steel detent plate, cam locking miter system, easy access bevel adjustment lever, and both detent override lock and chop lock lever located on the front of the tool. The M18 Fuel miter saw is designed for easy operation and repeatable, accurate cuts. Now, let's contrast that with the DH790T2 from Dewalt. Offers flexible power options corded for unlimited runtime or cordless, powered by Dewalt brushless motor technology for portability. The Dewalt delivers professional capacity in cross-cut, vertical, and nested crown cutting applications. Accuracy is delivered through easy-to-read bevel and miter scales engineered with convenience and durability in mind. Additionally, the DHS790 was designed with the adjustment-free cut line TM blade positioning system for improved accuracy. Two 60-volt max lithium-ion batteries and dual-port fast charger are included with the saw. And that is with this DHS790T2 kit. You can see the Milwaukee kit includes the miter saw, the red lithium 9.0 battery pack, a dust bag. Let's read more. A rapid charger, a clamp, a carbide tip blade, and a blade wrench. Features. The Milwaukee Power State brushless motor provides more power. We got that earlier. We got a 2x12 horizontal capacity laying flat at 90 degrees. We got a cam locking miter system with adjustable stainless steel miter detents and 11 detent locations. Shadow line cut indicator, quickly lining up cuts. There you go. So they have their positioning system as well. Detent override. They got the tall, sliding, removable fences to support large base and crown against the fence. We got a 5 3/4 vertical capacity. We got a 5 1/4 vertical capacity for nested crown. Dual bevel with 9 detents and easy access bevel lever. You're getting up to 400 cuts per charge. So here we go. At 45 degrees for the FLEXVOLT, you're getting 2x14 or 2x16 with the back fence lumber at a 45 degree bevel cut capacity. 45 degree miter, you're getting 8 inches of cut capacity. 90 degree cross cut capacity, 16 inches. Okay, 16 inches compared to a 2x12 for the Milwaukee. Arbor size is 5/8 for a metal cutting, definitely not Top handle. They have a top handle for the Milwaukee. Power tool type is cordless, although the constant power supply is available and included in this actual kit. Tool weight, 45 pounds for the Milwaukee. Tool weight for the Dewalt is 56 pounds. So, 11 pounds heavier. It's nothing to sneeze at, but it's not like you're carrying it around all day. Generally, you load it into the truck, take it off of the truck, set it up on the job site. At the end of the day, you're going to pick it back up, put it back on the truck, take it back to the shop, boom. Realistically, most tradespeople will be moving this maybe 4 times a day max. So it's not something like a circular saw or even a sawzall where every pound counts, because you're picking those tools up, you're moving them around, you're working with them all day long. This motor saw is you're gonna plop it down, it's gonna stay in place. So does 11 extra pounds mean something? Not in my opinion, because you're getting a whole lot of extra capacity cutting wise with the extra weight. So we have a vertical capacity baseboard against fence of 6 3/4. You're getting a 45-degree motor cut capacity, max height 4 inches. Quite frankly, I don't know exactly what they're calling out with this dimension. I'll assume that they're talking about when the, whether it be base molding, crown molding, dimensional, regular lumber, that at that 4 inches, you would get interference from the saw. 90-degree cross-cut capacity dimensional lumber, 2x14, 2x16 with back fence in amps, 15 amps. It's a 15 amp. Can you imagine 15 amp cordless saw. Blade diameter 12 inches for wood cutting true. Horizontal capacity baseboard laying flat 16 inches. No load speed 3,800 RPMs compared to 4,000 RPMs from the Milwaukee. The system is a 60-volt system on the Dewalt compared to an 18-volt system on the Milwaukee. Tool length is 32 inches. Type of motor saw is, it says slide, but is a dual bevel compound motor saw. Vertical capacity crown molding, vertically nested 7.5 compared to 5 1/4 from the Milwaukee. So, the stats are telling. This is a 12-inch motor saw, the Dewalt, compared to the 10-inch from Milwaukee. I think that you're going to need to decide how much capacity do you need? What type of work are you going to be doing with this saw? Will a 10-inch saw, take care of you? Do you need the extra capacity of that 12-inch? I'll tell you this much. Throughout the years, a lot of finished carpenters that I have known prefer a 10-inch motor saw because of the stiffer blade. The blade is not as large, and they claimed you get more accurate cuts from that 10-inch saw. Me personally, I use a 12-inch motor saw, and I gotta tell you, the saw is definitely more accurate than I could be. And, I have not had a problem with it, but I know a lot of finished carpenters that do prefer that 12-inch saw. With that being said, let's stack these babies up cost-wise. Let's take a look at the Milwaukee first. As you can see, you could order here from Acme Tool for $599. This is the kit, so it will include one 9.0 battery. I know that people are probably screaming right now, you could get it at the Depot cheaper. But if you go onto the Home Depot website right now, you'll see that the M18 with the 9 amp hour battery on Home Depot's website is $599 as well. Well, you probably have checked out one of our previous videos, we'll link it here, where that Milwaukee saw kit did dip as low as $399. Go take a look at that. Maybe it'll convince you to hold off and wait for those prices to come down, maybe for, let's say, Father's Day. Now, let's take a look at the FLEXVOLT. Over here at Acme Tools, you will see that the FLEXVOLT is roughly $50 more expensive, but what are you getting with it? Well, not only are you getting your 2 required 60-volt max batteries and a quick charger, you're also getting a constant power supply. So if you're near a wall outlet or you're interior or you have a generator for some reason, you can run this Dewalt 12-inch motor saw on constant power with this adapter not have to worry about having your batteries charged. Also, Acme Tools running a special promotion. Let's see here. They're giving you your choice of stands. So you can either have this free Dewalt miter stand, which I have and love myself, or the rolling portable stand. Both are pretty portable, both knock down. You can actually leave your saw on this stand, collapse it, and then roll it off the job site. This stand, the saw comes off of the stand, the legs then fold up, and then you carry that off as well. So no wheels on this one, but hey, it's a free stand. I know the outriggers on this stand are quite a bit longer than on the rolling stand. Keep that in mind. You're getting a free stand. So you're spending $50 more, but you have the versatility of plugging your saw into the wall, plus you're getting a free stand. Keep that in mind when you're deciding which brand, which miter saw, which 10-inch or 12-inch to go with. If you like this video, and side-by-side comparisons so you can make your mind up and make a better informed decision, smash the like button. If you like our content, we hope you'll consider getting subscribed. If you do get subscribed, make sure you crack that bell notification and let freedom ring. You know, we're here in Philadelphia, so we're all about the Liberty Bell. Crack it like the Liberty Bell. But as always, thanks a lot, and have a great day, everybody.